Hello, this is the manual height adjustable desk by Gym Office Solutions. So this is a sit-stand desk, which means that you can use this type of a desk for sitting while working and you can also stand while working. Now this is a manual height adjustable desk, which means that there is a manual lever on my side which I will rotate to adjust the height. I'll just show you a demo of this. So the lever is quite smooth and there is no much manual effort which is required. It's a very smooth movement. And this lever is also foldable, so you can easily fold this lever and it can go inside your table. So there will be no kind of hindrance in your working space. The best part about this desk is it has an 80 kg weight load capacity. Now when you are working from home, the maximum amount of weight which you will have will be probably 40 to 50 kgs, but this table has an 80 kg weight load capacity. So you can put n number of things on this table. Now we have this table available in two sizes. It's 120 by 75 centimeter, which is the one I am using, and there is also 150 by 75 centimeter. So you can use both the options from our website, and also we also have colors in this. So you can use a brown color top also if you want, and in the base we have black color available as well. And one more thing is the only frame option which is available. So this frame is width adjustable, so it can be decreased as well as increased. So you can also custom fit your own tabletop as per the size of your room and everything. There is also a warranty which is associated with this desk. So during the warranty period, if you face any kind of issues or trouble, so our team will be there to support you. And the installation is also very easy. It's a DIY assembly. So all the screws, manual and the tools and the videos will be provided to you. So you yourself will be able to install it at your house. Apart from this, we also have other range of desks like electric desk, hydraulic desk, and also monitor arms and accessories as well. So you can also contact us or our ergonomic specialist if you want any of those accessories or other type of desks as well. Thank you.